couple of y'all wanted me to watch the Wiggles Point Your Finger puppets. I have no idea what this is. I know who the Wiggles is. Yeah, little kids cartoon. I mean, kids animation. Not cartoon animation, but kids show. But I have no idea what Point Your Finger puppets is. I see the thumbnail. It's like a puppet. Oh my god, it's just gonna be some weird, creepy shit, man. I just see it. I just see it's gonna be some stuff like what the fuck shit. Yeah, this might be the what the fuck moment video of today, y'all. Let's check it out though. This is one of the Wiggles. This is some kid shit, man. Why is always the kid shows the most creepiest shit, man? There's stuff that kids shouldn't be watching. It can give kids like nightmares and shit. Cause it's about to give me a nightmare. I'm a grown ass man. What the fuck is this? I'm trying to... Can you point your finger and do the twist? What the... And there's a... What the fuck is these things on the side? Is that a frog? Is that a crab? What the fuck is that?
Me hearties. Ahoy there, me hearties. It's my pirate party. Ho-ho! 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 Ho-ho!
Oh, please back up, man. I thought he was gonna come out of the damn my freaking laptop, man. What the fuck is that? Is that a fish? That's something catfish. Must be a catfish because of the whiskers. It looks kind of weird though. Y'all tell me, was this on the Wiggles, man, or this something else? I have no idea what the hell I'm watching. The face is amazing. It's so fucking creepy, man. What the fuck? Well, got my creep out for today. That was the deepest and darkest areas of the internet, I think, right there. What the fuck? Thank you, whoever suggested that. Yeah, it was original. I can say that. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah. All right, man. It was crazy. It was. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you thought about it. Can y'all point y'all fingers and do the twist? And do you like my reaction to it? Whatever the heck that was. If you like my reaction, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share. Please hit the like button. Don't hit the dislike. I know it's some dislikable stuff. I don't know what the hell it is and stuff like that. I'm still trying to put my mind on it. Like, is that supposed to be educational? Is it, you know, because the kid show is supposed to be educational. What does catfish doing like this and pointing your fingers, and there was a crab and a frog and weird wiggle faces. What is, I don't know. If you like my reaction, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share. Like I said, I'm going, y'all. I can't even speak. Bye. Gone.